Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Hubs again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your TikTok account with your email. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your TikTok account with your email, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in tiktok.com like this and hit enter. And after opening this interface, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and after that you can see use your phone number, email or your username over here. Click over there and login. On the top right of the dialog box, you can see the login with email or your username option available over here. Click on login with email or username. Enter your username or your email over here. Mine will be this one, and let's enter the password over here. And if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on TikTok, simply click on sign up over here to go through a procedure to create an account on TikTok. Let's click on login, and let's wait for the code to arrive because I have enabled a two-step verification of my account on TikTok, and I have received the code from TikTok. Let's enter the code and hit on next. And there guys, we have been successfully logged into our TikTok account from our email. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.